Welcome to astronauts.com. Today I'm going to show you how to Russian join your yarn ends. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to work a Russian join. So a Russian join is where you can join two pieces of the yarn. I'm going to show you in two different colors, but of course you can use this to join two ends of the same color yarn. So you'll start by threading your yarn needle with one of the colors, and then you kind of cross the other thread over. I like to leave a pretty short tail on this yarn needle, and you might use a shorter yarn needle. I'm just using this kind of long one for demonstration purposes. You're going to start to insert that needle and thread it in, breaking into the thread, into your yarn. So you want to kind of split the plies. And if it's a single ply, then you might go in between the threads. And I'm just going to kind of loop it around into there. So I'm really kind of like stabbing the yarn needle inside all of the yarn. And I'm going to do this for a little bit. And then when I pull that through and pull it out and kind of pull that tight, that thread sort of disappears inside the other one. So that's the first half, and I did make sure to catch the other thread in that loop that it is around. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other end. So I'm going to thread my yarn needle, leaving a pretty short tail, just enough to kind of keep it going, and go in and start splitting that thread. Kind of going in between the plies and looping it around. Nothing has to be perfect here. And I usually kind of go for a little while. It's probably even too much when I pull that through. And I just kind of pull it off the needle and then give it a little tug. It kind of tucks that end back in there, creating an invisible Russian join. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to visit astronauts.com for more knitting videos and tips.